Welcome back to ProBuilder Concrete Estimator. In this video, we'll cover managing and saving projects. To save a project, click Save Project at the top of the page. A pop-up appears. Enter your project name, something like Smith Foundation, that you'll recognize later. Click Save New and your project is stored in the cloud. Keep in mind, projects delete automatically after 90 days to keep your account clean. If the save fails, it usually means your session has expired. Just sign out and back in, then try again. Once your project is saved, you can manage it from the Manage Projects button. We'll cover how to hide projects, organize your project list, and make projects visible to your workers in the Worker Portal, so when they clock in, they can see the job details. We'll cover the Worker Portal in our next video. To load a saved project, click Load Project. The pop-up shows all your saved projects with the project name, who saved it, and the date. You can see the version count and how many days are left before it's automatically deleted. Notice the warning at the top. Projects are automatically deleted after 90 days of inactivity. Every time you save or update a project, the 90-day timer resets. So if you're working on a long project, just save it again to keep it active. Click Load Latest to bring the project back into ProBuilder with all your data. If you no longer need a project, click the red trash icon to delete it. Click Cancel to close the pop-up without loading anything. Click Manage Projects to control which projects your workers can see in the field sheets. The pop-up shows all your saved projects with the project name, address, last updated date, and worker access status. Notice the worker access column. This project is currently set to Hidden. When a project is hidden, your workers won't see it when they clock in through the Worker Portal. This is useful for projects that are still being estimated or jobs that haven't been won yet. Toggle it to Live when the job is won and you're ready for your crew to see it on site. We'll cover the Worker Portal in our next video. Now the project is set to Live. When Worker Access shows Live with the green check mark, your workers will see this project in the Worker Portal when they clock in. They can access the project address, field sheets, and job details right from their phone. Toggle back to Hidden anytime if you need to pull a project from view. Maybe the job got delayed or you're making changes to the estimate. Click Close when you're done. That's how you save, load, and manage projects in ProBuilder. Click Manage Extras to handle extra work requests submitted by your workers on site. Here's an extra called Cold Room Work. The customer wants a cold room now after originally declining it. You can see the description, quantity, unit cost, and total cost of $5,800. The status shows pending, submitted on March 29, 2026 by Worker 4. John S. Workers can attach photos to document the extra work requested. Click Approve to accept the extra or delete if it's not valid. Filter extras at the top by All, Pending, Approved, Invoiced, or Paid to stay organized. Once approved, the status changes to approved and an invoice is generated automatically. You can see the work description, quantity, unit cost, and subtotal. Select your tax region. Here it's Ontario at 13% HST, and the tax amount calculates automatically. The total comes to $6,554. Click Print to create a PDF invoice or email to send it directly to your customer. This makes billing for extras quick and professional. No separate paperwork needed. In our next video, Tutorial 7, we'll cover the Worker Portal, including how your workers clock in and out with GPS tracking and how they submit extras like this one from the job site. Thanks for watching.